Then, sir, I have a question. Then, what are the symptoms when we know that we are under stress? What are the symptoms for that?
Okay, so what happens is that all the stress, professional stress, domestic stress, the negative stress, it keeps accumulating in your system. Here we must understand that stress is a silent killer, because when there is a stress in your system, there is neither a pain nor a fever. So you don't come to know that
It
you
is
are
not a
suffering.
visible symptoms of anything.
Then when it's become chronic, that means you're suffering from stress for a long time, then the physical symptom comes up which you are referring to. And these physical symptoms are, you may not get proper sleep at night. You know, there is a restlessness, and as you get up in the morning, you find there is a nervousness, घबराहट हो रही है,
Tired, not fresh.
not fresh, घबराहट सी हो रही है, you don't feel like doing anything,
Anything. Yeah.
and you feel that your irritation level is very high. छोटी सी गलती पे गुस्सा हो रहे हो आप, then you don't want to do those things which you used to enjoy doing. You know, you want to be left alone, मेरे से कोई बात ना करे, and then you complain of pain in the headache हो गया, pain हो गया, इधर हो गया, उधर pain. That will,
Unwanted problems.
no, your immune system is going down because of the
Okay.
stress. So there will be all sort of pain. And the stage comes, if you don't take appropriate measures to counter stress, then the stage comes when you start feeling that the life is not worth living. And then there is a suicide tendency also.
That's very bad.
So that is the, in effect, we must be able to check this stress in the beginning, because in the beginning, when it's a mild stress, it affects only your, say, hearing aid, your eyesight, or your kidney. But once it becomes chronic, then it's a major contributory factor to the what you call lifestyle diseases, diabetes and hypertension, even impotency.
Oh.
So we must be aware that we must do something about the stress.
ਸਰ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬੋਡੀ ਰਿਐਕਟ ਕਰੇਗੀ, ਕੀ ਰੀਜ਼ਨਸ ਹੈ। ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰੀਏ ਕਿ ਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਐਡਵਾਈਸ ਹੋ ਵਾਟ ਆਰ ਰੈਮਡੀਜ਼, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਰੈਮਡੀਅਲ ਐਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਕੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਰੀਏ।
To know about the remedies, it will be better if you know that how this stress affect the human body. Then you will realize कि आपके अंदर हो क्या रहा है. To understand that, there is a cerebral cortex on the upper part of your brain. It acts as a sensor. It picks up the stress vibrations. Then it passes those vibrations to a lower part in the brain. It's called hypothalamus. Now, hypothalamus acts as a processor. It processes the type of stress, the amount of stress, quantity of stress, whatever, and take a decision and send two signals. One signal goes to your pituitary gland, which is here. As you know, the pituitary gland is a master gland in the endocrine system. So it now regulates the secretion of blood in your system to maintain the balance. The second signal goes to the adrenal gland, which are over the kidneys here.
Okay.
The moment signal goes to the adrenal gland, it starts secretion of adrenaline in your bloodstream. Now that means your defense mechanism is now activated. Now this is what saves you, because when your defense mechanism is activated, let's see what all happens. Firstly, you'll find when you are facing a stressful situation, your breathing become fast. बड़ा सांस तेजी ना ले रहे हो. Why? Because your body is demanding more of oxygen. Now this oxygen is to be circulated into your blood. For that, what happens? Your heart starting beating faster. It starts pumping the blood faster. Your blood pressure rises, your pulse rate rises to circulate that oxygen into your system which is a part of a defensive mechanism. Then the liver starts secretion of glucose much more than it should have done the normal time, depending upon the stress level, because glucose is a energy which gives you energy. Then you can say your stomach stops the work of digestion.
Oh,
ये बोलता है यार digestion can be done later.
okay.
Save this energy for your defensive mechanism. Then the capillaries on your skin all over are contrived, and the blood contained there is diverted to your main organ, which is the brain. Because you must have noticed that during the stress your brain works very fast. Even in the normal life, you see, if somebody is not doing good work, you put little pressure on him, he achieve good results. And so then artery leading to your heart, artery leading to your brains are also contrived.
So stress is the basic problem for the human body and behavior. Apa the or jidda explain kita is a very good and simple way for a common man to understand.
Yes, now this defensive mechanism, if there is a time, tell you a little more, that the certain muscles in your body when you are under stress, they become tense. This is for your good. Reason is, during the stressful situation, you may get injury, you may fall from a height. You will notice that you will not get pain that time, because the adrenaline effect on your body, muscles are sore. Even somebody gives you a lathi blow, you will have, there is no pain that time. You may break your arm. Pain is little later, when the effect of adrenaline is gone.